How to log into Access app using your mobile device. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can log into Access bank account using your phone. So make sure to watch this video till the end and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So first thing first, download the Access application into your device from Google Play Store. You may just go to Play Store and search for Access app and then tap on install. After the installation is complete, just tap on open and this kind of interface will appear on your screen. So if you have already signed up, you may just use this space where you can see it says log in with your Access Bank credential. You need to enter your username and your password and tap on login. After that, you will be logged in into your Access Bank using the app. So if you don't have an account, you may just tap on sign in and create a new account. Just tap on sign in and you can enter your username and your password and sign in. You need to create a security code for that. After you're signing and you need to enter your information there. After that, you will be able to sign in and thereby you will be able to log in using those details in other apps as well. So therefore, in this way, you can log in into your Access Bank using your Access app in your phone. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.